Hello everyone, how you guys all doing? This is your girl Camille. I want to say welcome back to my channel. You know what, guys? Sometimes life doesn't always go as planned, right? I'm pretty sure you've heard that so many times in so many different ways, and this painting is just one of those days where, first of all, I did not even start recording it from the get-go. You know how it always show the blank canvas and then talk about the paint or stuff like that, right? So my video didn't start off the way I hoped. Now I am actually loving the color combination. It was a beautiful blue and it was already mixed pouring paint by FolkArt, and I was using the glitter as well. Guys, listen, I just want to show you this part of the footage because like I said, sometimes life doesn't go as planned, and just don't be disappointed. Don't be too hard on yourself. Get up and go again, give it a try, right? That's what art is all about. You have to really make it your own, and it's a part of the process, guys. It's a part of the process, and you just gotta trust that. Yes, I'm loving this piece. I wish it had just stayed the way it is, but then I went and go try and add some more layers and it didn't work out. So I'm like, you know what, forget about this blue. Let's go with a lighter color combination with this gold. And of course, I still just wanted to use just one color. Guys, I will put in the color I'm using in the description box below. And as you can see, I'm pouring straight from the bottle. This is just a ready-mixed pouring paint by FolkArt. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful color here, guys. If you have seen my previous video, I know I've given you guys some tips. I did mention that, just go ahead and pour straight from the bottle. You don't need a base color. Yes, guys, it does work when you don't. It works better when you don't really have that base color. But at the end of the day, you still have to add, that paint to help it to flow. So you still have to add, some paint around the edges just to help it to flow, so it doesn't really roll over on itself. It's just going to help it to spread out a little bit easier. And of course, cover the edges. Guys, I really do hope you enjoyed today's content. If you do, give this video a thumbs up, like, and share with your friends and family. If this channel is what you really in tune to, guys, make sure that you subscribe. I do have fun, creative contents that you can learn from and feel inspired. Guys, I'm here for you if you have any questions about, any particular techniques that I might have on my channel. Go and check out my playlist, guys. Okay, I have various techniques. See you for the close-up of the wet result and the dried result, so don't you go away. Thank you. much.